today we're gonna be building and reviewing the brand new VE brand 4x2x2 enclosure. In case VE sounds familiar, it stands for Vivarium Electronics, which is a pretty well-known thermostat brand. Well, they recently came out with a 4x2 foot enclosure, which is the standard for a lot of reptiles that are kept as pets. And
like ball pythons and bearded dragons and.
Yeah, and there's a ton of brands of them out there of that size of cage, but this is the newest one to the market. I'm hesitant about the quality because of the price point. These retail at $329.99, I think. Yeah. So I'm not sure what to expect, but we have one of these to build and review. We're not getting paid to review this. We just want to see one for ourselves and see how good of an enclosure it is. Things are getting serious.
Emma's taking off the hoodie.
Jacket's come off. Lipstick knife is engaged.
Does the lipstick knife gonna cut through that?
I don't know.
It did half of it. Come on, you can do it.
Yeah, okay. Okay, we got this. Well, it's very well packaged.
Yeah,
I'll give it that.
I mean, this one comes with glass.
That's right, yeah, the glass doors.
Yeah. All right, we got it.
We did. Ooh, look at that.
That's great.
That's right, these come in different colors. Mm-hmm. We are going to be building the dark purple variety of this enclosure, which I think is my favorite of the colors, but we'll show you the other options later.
Looks like good screen.
Yeah, it's not the mesh screen that some of the kits have.
Oh, like the chicken wire screen?
Yeah,
really
this is like
mesh?
Yeah, this is actually seems like good screen.
Which will let more UVB through too.
That's true. All right, there's a manual. Doesn't look too hard to build. I think I can do it.
I believe in you.
Oh no.
I'm here if you need help.
Oh, those are the handles.
Yeah.
Oh, even those are purple. Cool. I am actually really impressed with how form-fitted all of the sleeves, all of the packaging material is.
Ooh, there's the glass.
Yeah, there's the door.
Intact.
Wow, okay, one door looks great. Oh, never mind, it's both of them.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, they both look great, okay. This must be the side.
Must be.
The wires come through here.
Hopefully it's the side, not the back. What is?
Oh, there's a piece of tackiness to hold it in.
Okay, that makes sense.
Thought I broke something.
Oh, that's cool. The bottom is already silicone together.
Whoa, you don't have to seal it.
You don't have to put it together or seal it. Yeah.
Okay, that's really cool.
I've never seen that.
Yeah, usually you have to seal them yourself.
Yeah, I'll pull this out of the way.
Okay. All right, we have confirmed we have all of the pieces, and now I guess we're just gonna jump right on in.
I think so.
Step 1, screw 4 stand columns tight with one of these screws.
These are door columns?
Yes. So we'll
Right.
just put them in the corners.
It does look like, oh, okay. So these must be front because they have the little foam pieces for the glass. So you do have to make sure those are in the right spots.
So then if you slam the doors too fast, it's not gonna crack your glass door, it's just gonna hit the foam.
Yep.
So we found these matching squares, and we're pretty sure since there's 8 of them, I don't see it in the instructions, but we're pretty sure they go in each of the holes as like a little plug. I mean, what else would they be for? They fit perfectly.
They fit in there really well. Watch, there's gonna be something later.
Yeah, they're not actually supposed to be used for this. Step 2, slide in the side and back panels. Okay? So satisfying. There. Nice, okay. That's easy. Step 3, lock the top screen, dual track frame facing front.
Is there any kind of labeling on your side that would mean it's the front?
No.
Okay.
I don't see any logos or anything. Having a slightly difficult time getting the back panel to fit in the groove of the lid.
Okay, what's going on? It can't be that hard.
Is there a difference between the front and the back? Oh, there is. There's only one groove on this side and there's two on that side. I bet
Oh, yep, that's totally what it is.
Two glass doors. Okay, that was our fault.
We're smart. We can do this.
Yeah.
So the side that has 2 bars is the front. The side that has 1 bar is the back.
We are so smart.
SMRT.
SMRT. I mean SMART.
There we go. Oh, it's so much easier. Wow.
We can do things.
Yeah.
I believe in us.
Now that we have it the right way, it actually goes on really easily. Step oh wait, no, we have to screw it in.
Yes. We're learning.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh yeah, look at that action shot, guys.
I'm like a professional. Now you're watching and now I'm self-conscious and I'm messing up. There we go.
Hey, we did it.
Hooray! I'm gonna put the remaining 4 plugs into the holes.
Smack 'em down. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Next step. Install the substrate barrier. That's what that is.
Oh yeah, look at that purple.
Oh, can you see it on camera now?
Yeah, that looks really good.
I like the dark purple. Like, it's subtle.
It's like a metallic purple.
Yeah. Oh, it just slides right in there.
Yep.
Nice.
Okay, now you need that piece right there.
Step 5, tilt the door bar, lock it with 2 screws. All right, so the track is what the doors are gonna slide on and in.
Yep.
So that faces up. So we're going to tilt this guy like a
Nice.
glove.
That looks awesome.
Wow, all right, and now we just need screws. Where do they go? Oh, back here.
All right, you got the screws.
I have the screws. I think there's 2 on each side. And they go in right here to hold in this track.
This is a pretty fast cage to put together.
Actually, it is. There's like 8, 10 screws. There we go. We have our 2 screws in, so that's sturdy. Step 6, lock the door handle.
Lock the door handle.
What does that mean?
Maybe put the door handles on the door?
Ooh, do the doors have holes in them for attaching? It doesn't just stick? Oh, cool, they do. Nice.
I'm assuming, did it come with like nylon washers?
Rubber washers it
Okay.
comes with. Oh, so satisfying.
Getting that ASMR.
Yeah.
And you have to do the other side.
Oh, more ASMR.
There we go. And that has been Snake Discovery ASMR.
I'm glad. I hope you enjoyed it. So we have a rubber washer. Screw goes through that, goes through the hole, and screws into the handle. Oh, this is a metal handle too.
Nice.
Yeah, I really like this actually. It's not one of those like you just stick it on.
Yeah.
This is an actual legit handle.
This is one that you don't want to probably over tighten.
Probably not, yeah. Okay, handle is attached.
Nice. And we just do that again.
All right, handles have been attached to both doors.
Yep.
So now I assume we just pop it up into the back track. Ooh, slide one into place.
Goes in the front track.
Wow,
There's
nice.
still a big hole in it.
Oh yeah, okay, what's the next step? We're not done yet. Oh yeah, so we skipped over install the glass doors into the door track. And are we bound the backside?
Just doesn't say it because it's.
Okay,
I'm
yeah.
guessing It's just like
We
put
just-
that in place.
Put this into place, all right. So this
that
little
just-
doodad is for the cords to slide through. So that's kind of cool. You can close them in case you have small snakes, I assume, and
Yep.
you don't want them escaping. But it looks like you twist it out like this. And I assume it just attaches on either side. Yep, there we go. Perfect, we have cord access right there.
Nice. Wow. And did you see this, like, the gap here?
Oh my gosh,
Like-
that's so much smaller than usual.
I think you could even.
Can we put garters in here?
in that.
Wow.
Assuming they couldn't get out of this, which I don't think they could.
A tiny baby, maybe.
But then they'd have to make the lip to even get up there.
Oh, that's true.
But I don't think they're gonna make it out of that glass.
Yeah, this might be garter snake proof, which
That's
is
crazy.
for a 4x2 with glass doors. Yeah, usually the gap is always too big for them. Okay, that I didn't even notice, but I really like that. There's one more piece to this kit.
Oh.
Wedges. Do you think these go in here?
I bet those probably go in the sides to hold these in place.
In case it's like wobbly or something?
Yeah.
There's no instructions for these wedges, but yeah, I bet you're right. I bet if there's like
They
any
just-
sort of wobbliness.
Yeah, you can just wedge them in.
There, so you just shove a wedge in if
Yeah.
you're concerned about it at all.
If it's like shaky.
Honestly though, I've built 4x2s that are of lower quality and they're a lot more wiggly
Oh
than
yeah,
this.
you walk by them and they jiggle and wiggle.
Yeah. So I don't know if it necessarily needs the wedges, but it comes with them if you feel like you
I'm
want to use
guessing
them.
there's probably certain manufacturing things they can't control, like tolerances.
Oh, maybe.
And
So
they could,
just in case.
Just in case they add them to give the
Yeah.
support.
Okay, that makes sense. And then I guess we just peel off the plastic.
I'm still blown away that they come with silicone and sealed on the bottom.
Yeah, that is really nice. That being said, if you wanted to use a pretty thick substrate layer that was going to be quite damp, or you wanted a drainage layer that was going to be like 2 inches deep, you would have to seal yourself
Yes.
the upper ledge here. So you'd have to seal that, but there's no way for it to come completely assembled, so there's going to have to be some spots you'd have to seal.
Yeah, and that's
But just the base alone being sealed already
Yeah.
is amazing.
and you could, if you're gonna go into that extreme,
Yeah.
like to do a fully bioactive,
Yeah.
I would probably say those people are gonna know that they have to seal every
Probably,
enclosure.
yeah.
Any
It's
enclosure
a
that comes
given
in.
with anything, yeah.
Yep.
Is that it?
I think that's it.
That's all the pieces?
Yeah, that was like what, 15 minutes?
Yeah, and that included us trying to put the lid on backwards. I really like this cage,
Yeah.
actually. And the price point, it's surprising how low it is. It's $329.99, but it comes with glass doors, and it's not a flimsy cage. The nice thing about glass doors is they don't warp over time. It seems like acrylic doors, they absorb moisture on the humid side, so inside of the enclosure, and that causes the door to warp inwards and vice versa. So that can be tricky to open warped doors with
Yeah.
acrylic doors, but glass doesn't warp at all.
No.
I like the small gap, small clearance right here. That's surprising, but I love it. I like the foam bumpers
Yeah.
so that the doors hit foam
Yep.
instead of plastic. And I like the substrate barrier. This is awesome
Yep.
too. I actually really like this enclosure. I don't think I have any negative
I
feedback.
mean, at the end of the day, it's a box that you
Essentially.
put reptiles in.
A box with front doors.
But I love the colors.
Yeah.
Like, not just black, like having it. And surprisingly sturdy for
Yeah.
the, like you were going for. It's a budget cage.
Yeah.
And it's super sturdy for, like, the table's wobbling about as much as the cage is
Right.
wobbling from that.
I think for the price, this is probably the most economical option
Yeah.
out there right now for a 4x2x2. And what's actually really cool is they don't come in just purple. They apparently come in like a red color. I'm curious what that looks like. And they come in the traditional all black. And they also have 2 different sizes or 2 different heights. This is the 4x2 by 2 foot tall or high variety. And the black comes in 4x2 by 18 inches high.
So about 6 inches shorter than that.
Yeah, so about this high. So I kind of want to see what that looks like in person as well. And they have an all black 4x2x2 as well.
Yep.
So I think we have 2 more to build because I'm curious what they look like. Do you want to race?
Sure, I mean, that's Snake Discovery fashion right there.
Let's race so you can build it fastest. You ready?
Yeah, I'm old. Give me a minute.
3, 2, 1, go! Hey! Power drill!
Don't worry about it.
That's cheating!
You can use any resources. We never said we couldn't.
Uh-huh. Okay, this can go here.
Mine didn't come with enough screws.
Oh, weird.
Wait. Did you take my screws?
No,
Are you sure?
Yes.
Do you have
I didn't do
screws
it.
over
Nope,
there that you
I don't know
don't
what you're
need?
talking about. I'm just gonna keep building.
Well, where are mine then?
I don't know, you're gonna have to find them.
And just like that, Ed wins.
Cheater.
That's right.
I don't think that counts.
Oh, it totally counts.
You used a power drill.
Ed is the winner.
Well, okay, mine was also a different model because
Alright.
I'm doing the shorter one.
I am the champion. No time for losers over here.
As I'm screwing this in. And done. Finished my cage.
What? You're finally done?
Oh, yeah, whatever.
I took a nap there for a couple
Yeah,
hours.
there wasn't that big of a difference. Plus, I mean, you used your drill. That was cheating.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with using a drill.
What are those?
Oh, those were extra pieces.
No.
No.
Those go in the corners,
Yeah, I have them in the
mister.
corner.
Wait.
Yeah, those are
One,
extra
two,
pieces.
three. No, those are the bottom ones.
No.
You're not done yet.
Those are extra pieces.
Those have to go down here. Disqualified.
I don't think so.
Wait, let's see it. Let's see it then.
I'm 90% sure I put those in.
Let's see. Yeah, did they just send too many,
I
or
think
did
they-
you forget
they
a
just,
step?
They just sent too many, I'm pretty sure.
They're missing.
No!
Disqualified.
No.
I win.
Alright, well I got my feeties on, I guess. I still think I won.
No, you did not.
I'm pretty sure I
Technicality.
still won.
I'm just looking at the colors here. I mean, the purple and black looks really
Yeah, the
cool.
Purple's awesome.
And it's like shimmery too.
Yeah, it's like metallic.
Yeah,
along
and
with
then
the
red. The red looks so
The
cool
red
too.
reminds me of like a hot rod.
I was thinking Deadpool.
Or that, yeah,
Yeah,
Deadpool
right?
cage too.
And then the black, I mean, that's a nice traditional sleek look to a
Yeah.
reptile cage. So
Yeah.
they're all nice color choices. And both sizes, both the 18-inch and the 24-inch high, come in all three of those colors.
Alright, audience, in the comments below, which color would you pick if you could get one of these? Would you get the purple? Would you get the red? Or would you go with the traditional black down there?
I think I know which one I would pick, but I don't want to say because I might skew the results.
Oh, so I shouldn't probably tell them which one I would pick either of the three. Okay.
But I mean, yeah, overall, this cage for the price.
Oh, I love it.
It's
Like,
a great. I'm surprised. I honestly am surprised.
I'm so surprised at the sturdiness
Yeah.
of it. Because, you know, there's other cages that are similar in
Right.
nature and priced, but they're very wobbly in comparison.
I really like the handles.
Yeah.
They're not just a a sticker that's like an 1/8 of an inch thick plug thing. They actually screw into the glass.
Yeah.
So for a budget cage, it's really nice.
I would probably say it's the best budget cage on the market
Yeah,
right now.
I'm really impressed. Well, it's been about a month, and turns out we liked these enclosures so much that now we actually have them in our store for sale. We have the 4x2x2s in all three colors, same with the 4x2x18s. And yeah, they're in stock in our store, and you can find them at snakediscoverystore.com. You can get them on our online website
Yeah.
as well. So yeah, I'd say they were a huge success. Honestly, they exceeded my expectations. I mean, otherwise we wouldn't be carrying them. But yeah, I really like these enclosures.
$319 for a 4x2x18 and $329 for a 4x2x2. That's
Yeah.
a good price.
It is. Honestly, I think it's the best deal for the size of cage that's currently on the market.
And nobody else has purple and red.
Yeah, I love the colors too. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed our review of the new VE 4x2x2 foot enclosures.
Still open them.
Yeah, it's so pretty. Thank you very much, Patreon backers, for your incredible support as always. And we'll see you next time.
Now what are we going to put in them?
I don't know. Woo!